Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 9th Girls High School Kalamabad. Today let us try to do some of the questions from previous term first paper. It is year 2000 last year paper from chemistry section. Question number 1, do as directed. So question 1 is do as directed from section chemistry. First part is the phenomena of change of a liquid into vapor at any temperature below its boiling point is called a dash dash. So we have already studied it in this lesson. Is matter around states of matter. In the first chemistry lesson, states of matter. What is the phenomena called as when a liquid is changed into vapor at its temperature below its boiling point? This is called as evaporation. This is called as evaporation because evaporation does not need, it is called as evaporation. So the phenomena of change of liquid into vapor at its temperature below its boiling point is called as evaporation. So evaporation does not require the boiling point temperature, the temperature at which the liquid boils. So evaporation takes place at room temperature as well, we can see. Similarly, this contains one more question. Another is objective type question. Which of the following is a homogeneous mixture among the below given four? Which one is homogeneous mixture? As we know that the homogeneous mixture is that mixture in which the two or more than two components have a uniform composition. So blood is not a homogeneous mixture. Dust in air, it is not a homogeneous mixture. Muddy water is not a homogeneous mixture. Glucose in water, it is a homogeneous mixture. So the right option is glucose in water. This is also a one mark question, very easy question. So we have to sort out which one is appropriate among these four. So we can say blood is not, it is heterogeneous. Dust is heterogeneous. Muddy water is heterogeneous. Glucose in water, it is homogeneous. This one is right, as we know that homogeneous mixture in which both the components have uniform composition. Similarly, the another question is very short answer type question. This contains two mark question. Just we have to write the answer in just 2 or 3 lines. Depending upon the nature of component that form a liquid, that form a mixture, we have different kinds of mixtures like homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. As we know that different types of mixtures are around us. So what is heterogeneous mixture? So we have to write the answer of what is a heterogeneous mixture, as we know that it is a 2 mark question. So we have to simply write down the definition of homogeneous mixture. A homogeneous mixture is a mixture in which the two components have uniform composition throughout the mass of mixture. There is no visible boundaries of separation in the homogeneous mixture, and we cannot distinguish the different components in homogeneous mixture. Then write some of the examples: glucose water, salt water, or examples of a homogeneous mixture. Similarly, another question is what is suspension? Suspension, you already know it is a 2 mark question, so just write down the definition. Suspension, it is a first a heterogeneous mixture in which the particle size is greater than 1 nm. So as we know that solutions have a small particle size, suspensions have a greater particle size more than 1 nm. And these show suspension is Tyndall effect. When light is passed through the suspension, so the light is scattered by these particles because the particle size is enough in suspension. So we have to simply write down its definition. Similarly, there are some of the short type questions we will discuss in next video.